What's up guys, welcome back to German Dream. My name is Ritvik. I'm currently living in Kaiserslautern and I'm a student here at Technical University of Kaiserslautern and doing my masters in computer science. So today we are going to one of the supermarkets here in Germany. We will be going to Lidl. There are many others like Aldi, Teddy, many others, but we'll go to Lidl. So yeah, in this video I'll show you around the supermarket. I'll show you the prices of some basic things. We are going to get milk, bread, eggs and some other stuff. So stay tuned to the video. And yes, one more thing, I've seen that 91% of my viewers are still not subscribed to the channel. So please do subscribe to the channel, because every time I see the number going up to my subscribers list, it just motivates me to make more videos for you people. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button and press all notifications bell. And yeah, let's just start this video.
One's a compliment, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like the first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, just like a dial, laying low, hitting heavy. Hey, hey, take your time, let me know when you're ready. Hey, hey, couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow.
Alright guys, so now we are outside and we are going to a supermarket. It's cold. The temperature is 3 degrees, but it feels like 1 degrees today. So let's go to Lidl, and in the meantime I'll show you around. Like, there is a park nearby and other things. So let's just stick to the video till the end. Bye bye. So this is a park. On a warm sunny day, me and my friends, we come here, we sit here, we talk for a while. And there's also a basketball court nearby. So we usually just come here and play also. I'll show you the basketball in a bit. There are some rides for kids. Yeah. So this is the basketball court here. You can see some children playing also. So we usually come here to play. Look at these kids. Okay, let's just continue. So this right here is Aldi. It's like next to Lidl. You can see the board for Lidl, I guess. Yeah. So basically it's next to Lidl, but we are not going to Aldi because it's a little bit expensive than Lidl. Lidl is like more cost effective. Alright, so here is Lidl. You can see like how many cars are there. So we're just gonna go into Lidl and then we'll get some stuff and I'll show you the prices and everything. Alright, so let's just get in. See, you can see how big this is. I've been here like dozens of times, but I still don't remember what thing is where. So So I'll just quickly roam around and show you some things. This entire spot right here is the bread section. You can get like proper German breads, and these are like the simple breads which we usually eat. So I got this bread right here. It's 99 cents for 1 kg. No, 1 kg is 1.32 cents. 1 euro 32 cents. So the basic price is like 99 cents. So you can do the conversion. So these are different milk sections with different prices. You can see the prices here. You can see curd. I usually get this one. It's for 55 cents. You can see the price. With curd also you have like a lot of variety here. These are the eggs. I mean, they have several varieties for eggs too. You can see the prices there. I usually get this one, the 18 egg pack. It's for 2 euros. So like around 170 rupees for 18 eggs. Then here is sugar. Price is not mentioned here, but this is sugar. Then this is other kitchen stuff, everything. This is, I guess, the wheat flour. Yeah. This right here, all of this is non-veg, and even in non-veg mostly like beef, pork and other things. Some canned things, sauces, pickles. These are canned peas. This is for 1.79. Do the conversion. But the 1 kg pack is for 2.11. So like while getting things from these stores, you have to make sure that what size you are getting and then check the price. So now we are at the cash counter and I'll get my things billed and then I'll see you outside. Alright guys, so now I'm out. I got my things billed and everything, and now I'm heading home. But before that I want to show you one more thing. Can you see this? This is like a proper store for all the drinks. From here you can find like from cheapest beer to the most expensive scotch, like everything they have. So if you like to get drinks on weekends, you can come here and get drinks from here. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna head home because like it's very cold right now and I almost cannot feel my hands. So I think this was all from today's video, and yeah, I hope to see you next time on the other side of the screen. Bye bye.